So after all this, what we discussed, can we say that we have a new government with a new approach? I guess it's time to say this. And based on all the facts and all the effort that's done now, we can say that the government are trying to get a new approach to be a more customer-centric. We are more fulfilling or even engaging with the customer and community to make sure that this kind of digital transformation will be really efficient. But the question here is, what is digital transformation? How we can define this? And is it only a cliche? Is like a trend way? Or no? We need to answer this now. For instance, balancing driving innovation while maintaining effective governance and regulation is one of the challenges that any government will face now. You need to be so close to your customer and your community. At the same time, you need to be very committed to the governance and regulation. So to get this kind of balance, you need to make sure that how the public sector will be having this kind of achievement and how you can shape the agenda where you immense the time pressure. So we can define digital transformation in a very simple way, that it's kind of integration of digital technology into all service areas, fundamentally changing how we operate and how we deliver customer value. That's why now we can say it's very common. It's a very hot topic that everywhere you can find that digital transformation is there. We do this, we do that, which is also very crucial to have it, but it's also cultural change, because it's not only about technology, it's about what the organization need to change internally, what culture they need to adopt to make sure that this kind of continually change will really challenge the status quo, the experiment, and what's comfortable. Even are we comfortable with the failure? Can we accept it and we can take it? Can we move from it, or we will stay there? We can say more that digital government co-creating the innovative public service for citizens and even for the businesses. And this will continue to bring more efficient and transparent public service, directly impacting the quality of the lives we have. When we use this kind of full potential digital tools to support the modernization of public administration, that can facilitate efficient and user-centric administrative process. We need to think about how we can improve the quality of the service through flexible and personalized interaction, and also increase even the public sector efficiency, because now efficiency is the key. We are not working anymore for kind of productivity only. We need to make sure that every system is more efficient while we are working. Citizens and business are increasingly expecting better, more agile, more easy, and even more personalized public services for them. This will make a difference for burden reduction, transparency, participation, citizen engagement, and even creating a public service value for everyone. Those citizens generally prefer not to supply the same information multiple times. Now imagine you are going for any governmental service. Are you willing to put your documents more and more here and there? No. You need to have your own data that will be shared in and be used into a one public administration. That will be full compliance of data protection rules, and that will be also secure for you. That's what we call it a once-only principle. That's kind of how you can benefit from the efficient, user-friendly, digital public service that can benefit everyone in your organization. The government digital transformation is an ongoing application of modern-day technology that improve a government's performance and are crucial to meeting the expectation of today's citizen. This transformation is also referred as the e-government, which is also well known now and well distributed word. While citizens are the primary focus of digital government transformation, they should be there as an also focus on the government to business or even the government to government. So the e-government now is a terminology that will care about citizen, customer, government, or even other businesses, and how any service that we have can support the three of them. This kind of digital services for the government can range from application for like hunting, fishing license, driving license, renewal tax filing, or even much more. Any kind of service can be included there. However, this digital government transformation required more like a work than quickly putting a service online, because it's not only about the digital tool, it's about the concern of the quality of the usage of the government that they need to have. That's why if you have a specific need of the customer, if you understand it more, as we mentioned before, from the kind of persona you have, from the design-led or even customer experience, so the digital service you will offer will be more easy, more accessible, and even more fulfilling for the needs of the customer. Digital government strategy is very crucial here, because without the right strategy, you cannot do anything. You need to maximize the positive effect of this kind of digital service, otherwise it will be kind of transformation, but with no added value. And that's why it's very crucial to consider your strategy.